Why were the Romans so successful? Roman soldiers had impressive strength and stamina. They were well trained, disciplined, and fearless. Their weapons and armour were sturdy, hard-wearing, and well-designed. Using 3 key military tactics, the tortoise, the triple line, and the wedge, the Roman army was rarely defeated. Roman legions, groups of 4,000 to 6,000 soldiers, lived in heavily defended forts, such as those in Chester, Colchester, York, Caerleon, Wales, and Inchtuttle, Scotland. They built roads to connect cities and forts. This made it easier and quicker for legions to cross large distances to fight wherever they were needed. While the whole Roman army had a clear hierarchy, the Celtic tribes were not as well organised because each tribe had its own chief. They were simply not as united. Their weapons were often very basic too. One settlement fought against the Romans with nothing more than stones and slingshots. It didn't end well.